B2 English Listening Practice. Artificial Intelligence. Hello, wonderful English learners. Welcome back to English with Sophia. I'm thrilled to have you join me for today's exciting lesson on artificial intelligence, AI, and how it's shaping our everyday lives. This topic is not only fascinating but also provides an excellent opportunity to enhance our English language skills. So let's dive into the world of AI together. Warm-up, vocabulary, and discussion. Before we delve into the main content, let's start with some key vocabulary related to artificial intelligence. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Algorithm. 2. Machine learning. 3. Neural network. 4. Automation. 5. Data mining. Now, let's discuss. Have you heard these terms before? Can you use any of them in a sentence? Great job! We'll be using these terms and many more throughout our lesson. Remember, it's perfectly normal if you don't understand everything right away. Learning new technical vocabulary takes time and practice. What is artificial intelligence? Let's begin by defining artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. These machines are designed to mimic human cognitive functions, such as problem-solving, pattern recognition, and learning. Language focus. Notice how we use refer to define a term. Can you think of other phrases we use to explain complex concepts in English? Discussion. Question. How would you explain AI to someone who has never heard of it before? Try using simple, non-technical language. Brief history of AI. To understand AI better, let's take a quick look at its history. 1. 1950s. The concept of AI is born. Alan Turing proposes the Turing test to determine if a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior. 2. 1956. The term artificial intelligence is coined at the Dartmouth Conference. 3. 1960s-1970s. Early AI programs are developed, like ELIZA, a natural language processing program. 4. 1980s-1990s. Expert systems gain popularity. AI winters occurred due to reduced funding and interest. 5. 2000s present. Machine learning and deep learning lead to significant breakthroughs in AI capabilities. Vocabulary building. Let's break down some compound terms we've used. Artificial intelligence, artificial plus intelligence, machine learning, machine plus learning, deep learning, deep plus learning. Can you think of other compound terms related to technology or science? Timeline activity. Create a visual timeline of AI history using the information provided. You can draw this on paper or use a digital tool. Add one key event from each decade to your timeline. Types of artificial intelligence. AI can be categorized in different ways, but let's look at three main types. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. Designed for a specific task, like virtual personal assistants, e.g., Siri, Alexa, or image recognition software. 2. General AI, strong AI. AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. This type doesn't exist yet, but is a goal of many researchers. 3. Artificial superintelligence. Hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence and abilities. This is still in the realm of science fiction. Language practice. Use comparative and superlative forms to compare these types of AI. For example, narrow AI is more common than general AI, but artificial superintelligence would be the most advanced of all. Discussion activity. In small groups or in the comments, discuss: which type of AI do you think we interact with most in our daily lives? Do you think we'll achieve general AI in your lifetime? Why or why not? AI in our daily lives. Now, let's explore how AI is already playing a role in our everyday activities. 2. Social media. AI algorithms curate our news feeds and suggest friends or content we might like. 3. Online shopping. E-commerce sites use AI to recommend products based on our browsing and purchase history. 4. Navigation apps. GPS apps like Google Maps use AI to predict traffic patterns and suggest the fastest routes. 5. Email. Spam filters use AI to detect and block unwanted emails. 6. Streaming services. Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend movies, TV shows, and music based on our preferences. 7. Smart home devices. AI powers devices like smart thermostats that learn our habits and adjust settings automatically. 8. Banking. AI is used for fraud detection and customer service chatbots. Vocabulary challenge. Match these verbs with suitable nouns to create phrases describing AI actions. Analyze. Predict. Optimize. Enhance, e.g., analyze data, predict outcomes. Writing task. Write a short paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, describing how you've interacted with AI in the past week. Use specific examples and try to incorporate some of the new vocabulary we've learned. Benefits and challenges of AI. As with any technology, AI brings both advantages and potential concerns. Let's examine some of these. Benefits. 1. Increased efficiency and productivity. 2. Improved accuracy in tasks and decision-making. 3. Advancements in healthcare, including disease detection and drug discovery. 4. Enhanced safety in transportation, e.g., self-driving cars. 5. Personalized experiences in entertainment and education. Challenges. 1. Job displacement due to automation. 2. Privacy concerns related to data collection and use. 3. Potential for bias in AI algorithms. 4. Ethical considerations in AI decision-making. 5. The need for new regulations and policies. Critical thinking task. Choose one benefit and one challenge from the lists above. Explain how each might affect society in the future. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Language focus. Notice how we use phrases like on the one hand and on the other hand to discuss advantages and disadvantages. Can you think of other expressions we use to compare positive and negative aspects of a topic? The future of AI. As AI continues to evolve, it's expected to have an even greater impact on our lives. Here are some potential future developments. 1. Healthcare. AI could lead to more personalized medicine and earlier disease detection. 2. Education. AI tutors could provide personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. 3. Transportation. Fully autonomous vehicles could become commonplace, potentially reducing accidents and traffic congestion. 4. Environmental protection. AI could help in monitoring and managing environmental issues more effectively. 5. Space exploration. AI could assist in analyzing data from space missions and potentially control autonomous space probes. Role-play activity. With a partner, imagine you're living 50 years in the future. One person plays a teenager, and the other plays their grandparent. Discuss how AI has changed your lives compared to the present day. Use future perfect tense where appropriate, e.g., by 2073, AI will have transformed the way we. Writing challenge. Write a short science fiction story, 150-200 words, about a day in the life of someone living in a world where AI is even more advanced than today. Try to incorporate at least 5 new vocabulary words from this lesson. Ethical considerations in AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. 1. Privacy. How can we ensure our personal data is protected when AI systems collect and analyze so much information? 2. Bias. AI systems can perpetuate or even amplify human biases. How can we ensure fairness in AI decision-making? 3. Accountability. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm? 4. Job displacement. As AI automates more tasks, how can we handle potential job losses and retraining needs? 5. Human-AI interaction. How do we maintain meaningful human connections in a world increasingly mediated by AI? Discussion. Question. Which of these ethical considerations do you think is the most important to address? Why? Debate activity. Divide into 2 groups. One group argues for rapid AI development, while the other argues for a more cautious approach. Use phrases like, "in my opinion," "I believe that," and "from my perspective," to express your views. Preparing for an AI-driven future. As AI continues to shape our world, it's important to prepare ourselves for the changes it may bring. 1. Lifelong learning. Stay curious and open to learning new skills throughout your life. 2. Digital literacy. Understand the basics of how AI and other digital technologies work. 3. Critical thinking. Develop strong critical thinking skills to evaluate information and make informed decisions. 4. Emotional intelligence. Cultivate skills that are uniquely human, such as empathy and creativity. 5. Ethical awareness. Stay informed about the ethical implications of AI and participate in discussions about its development. Language practice. Use the imperative form to give advice about preparing for an AI-driven future. For example, learn new skills regularly to stay adaptable in a changing job market. Final task. Write a short essay, 200-250 words, about how you think AI will impact your chosen career field in the future, and how you plan to prepare for these changes. This will help reinforce both the content and your English writing skills. Conclusion. As we conclude this lesson on AI and its role in our daily lives, I hope you've not only expanded your English vocabulary and comprehension, but also gained valuable insights into this fascinating and important topic. Remember, AI is a tool that we're continuously developing and shaping. By staying informed and engaged, we can help ensure that AI is used in ways that benefit society as a whole. Thank you for joining me for this exciting exploration of AI. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Sophia for more lessons on cutting-edge topics that will boost your language skills and knowledge. Until next time, keep practicing your English and stay curious about the world of AI. Who knows? You might be the one to develop the next groundbreaking AI application. Additional resources. To continue learning about AI in English, check out these resources. MIT Technology Review's Artificial Intelligence section. https://www.technologyreview.com. Topic: Artificial Intelligence. TED Talks on AI. https://ted.com. Topics: AI. For everyone. Coursera course by Andrew Ng. https://www.coursera.org. Learn for everyone. Remember, engaging with authentic English language materials on topics you're interested in is an excellent way to improve your language skills while staying informed about important developments in technology and society.